Hi, this is Pipe Cleaner Princess, and today we will be making Yoda Pipe Cleaner Mickey ears. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Pipe Cleaner Princess, and I make Mickey ears out of pipe cleaners. So yeah, what you will need for Yoda Pipe Cleaner Mickey ears are 4 green pipe cleaners, 2 tan pipe cleaners, 1 brown pipe cleaner, 1 black pipe cleaner, and 1 lime green pipe cleaner, and scissors. So to start, I'm going to take 2 of the tan pipe cleaners and twisting them together at the ends like this. I'm going to take the other ends and I'm going to twist them together so that it makes a circle. And then I'm going to take the brown pipe cleaner. I'm going to twist it at the place I twisted these 2 pipe cleaners. And the tan and the brown are for his coat thingy. So yeah, I'm gonna take the other end and I'm going to twist it, and this is going to be your arch and your base. Now for the ears, I'm going to be doing green ears like Yoda. I am going to twist them onto the arch, and I'm going to take the other end and I'm going to twist it right next to the place I twisted it on. And I am going to make sure it looks like a Mickey ear. And then I'm going to take another green and I'm going to twist it onto the arch on the other side. And I'm going to take the other side of the pipe cleaner and I'm going to twist it right next to the place I twisted it on. And I'm going to make sure it looks like a Mickey ear so that it's circular. And there you go, you just got your regular basic Mickey ear. And if you want to keep it like this, that's totally fine, but I'm going to add some pizzazz to it. So with the other greens, I'm going to make Yoda's ears. So I'm going to just form it out of the pipe cleaner. It can be wobbly and weird. So just point it at the end and just make it however you like. I am going to do this. So I'm just going to cut it because I don't need that much to twist it on. And I'm just gonna probably reuse this, or I'm gonna set this aside. And then I'm going to connect the ear that I just made onto the Mickey ear. So if you're wearing this ear, you'll basically have 6 ears. And then you're going to twist the other end onto it so that it's one of his ears. Now, I'm going to do the exact same thing with this pipe cleaner, so I am going to do that now. There we go, I did that. And so if you want, you can definitely keep this like this because it can also be Baby Yoda. But I am going to make it like Yoda, so I'm going to make Yoda's lightsaber. So I'm going to take this lime green pipe cleaner and I am going to take the black pipe cleaner. I'm going to make it about this big. I'm just going to wrap the black around the lime green pipe cleaner so that it's like a handle. So I am just going to twist it, and I'm going to make it about maybe this long, and I'm going to cut the black, and I'm going to cut the green, and so you got your lightsaber. So I'm just going to put it in the middle right here. So I'm going to take a little of the black pipe cleaner and I'm going to cut a little bit off, and then I'm going to use that and I'm going to twist the lightsaber on. So I'm going to make it like this, like that, and I am going to twist the lightsaber onto the arch. And I am going to take the upper end of the lightsaber, and I'm going to take a little of the lime green pipe cleaner, and I'm going to cut a little bit off so that I can twist it on. I'm going to set these all aside, and with that I'm going to twist it right onto the ear. And then after that, you are done with your Yoda pipe cleaner Mickey ears. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye!